polar cub? Who's the polar cub? Is that you, Cletus? Are you the polar cub? Are you the polar cub? Oh, he's a polar cub.
He's a handsome little man. He's a handsome little man. Who's a handsome little man? Who's a handsome polar cub? Cletus is. Cletus is. He's a redneck polar cub. Cletus. Cletus. Cletus, the redneck polar cub. Cletus, the redneck polar cub.
I'm videoing this, by the way, just so you know.
Yeah, well.
You're singing retarded Christmas carols to the dog, honey. And it's about to go on YouTube.
Yeah, well.
Bella. Hey, Bella. Hey, Bitty Bit. Taking the babies. Aunt Bitty Bit and Aunt Bella taking the babies.
Really? Really, kids? A bitty bit. If you won't give baths, the babies need baths. Give the babies baths. Bathe the babies. Groom the babies. Groom the babies. Groom the babies. Bitty bit. I love you. Thank you. Good kisses. But groom the babies. Groom the babies. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Good kisses. Thank you. Thank you, bitty bit. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you. Thank you, baby girl. Thank you, baby girl. Okay. Come to babies. Come to babies.
Bitty Bit. Come here, Bitty Bit. Come here, Bitty Bit.
All right, come on. Come on. Come on.
That's a happy dog.
Yep. That was all she wanted. See, if I hadn't had your sister in my lap before when you jumped up here, I wouldn't have minded you jumping up here quite so much. But you tried to jump up here when I was holding your sister. My lap's not quite big enough for both of you. Not quite. Silly girl. Silly girl. Who's the bulldog? Who's the bulldog? Oh, really?
Cletus, what you getting into? Cletus.
Didn't even have dimples. Really? Bitty bit. Bitty bit. That's enough.
Bella.
Silly girl.
Hey, Bella.
Hey, that's enough. Chill.
She's got a 9-mile tongue, I'm telling you. Oh, the babies are sleeping.